Hey guys, Suyun here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing week 2 Supreme item. I was able to get one of the most hyped one for week 2. It was not the Nike Dunks, which was the collaboration that Nike and Supreme did for week 2, but I did get another item which was the Supreme baseball bat. For accessory, that was the most hyped item, so I was super glad that I was able to get it. For a price point, it was expensive, and maybe that's why that I was able to get it compared to everyone going for sneakers. Nonetheless, I got the baseball bat here with me. Let's unbox this and show you guys what I got. As mentioned, the most anticipated one was the Nike Dunks, which actually kind of dropped way early on. I think even last season there was a rumor about this sneaker dropping with the stars on the side of the sneaker, but I wanted to get one as well, but to be honest, it was way too competitive, so I knew it was going to be really hard to cart it in and check out, so I went for a second item, which was the baseball bat, and it came in a box like this, so I'll go ahead and open this up, and let's see. We got the Supreme knife out here. Let's go from the side. And with it, we got two Supreme box logo. And baseball bat like this. In the box, there's nothing else in the box, and it came like this with metallic bag, which is pretty cool. So it has a Supreme logo, Rawlings logo, and wood saver technology. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm glad to see that the bag itself is customized for Supreme as well. On the other side, we have the Rawlings and Supreme logo. And then you have the transparent side, which shows the baseball bat without having to unwrap this. The baseball bat was $250. Honestly, I don't know how much baseball bat go for. I'm not even much of a baseball guy, but as part of the accessory, I had to get it. This is a wooden bag, so let me try to see if I could open this neatly so I could also keep and maintain the bag as well. I'm not so much worried about reselling anymore, so I do open most of them. As soon as I open it, I get the huge whiff of chemical smell. It's interesting, but let's go ahead and take this out. Yeah, still getting that chemical smell, which is crazy overpowering. And closer look on the bag itself has the Supreme logo with Rawlings brand, and it actually says on the bottom, not intended for game use, so you will not see any of the MLB player coming out with this to use it. So let's take a closer look at this. On the bottom, it looks like it's a little cork. I'm not much of a baseball guy, but pretty sure that's not allowed from a cork perspective. I think cork is also up here, but there is like I'm not sure if this is hole that goes straight through the entire way, but there's a hole here and there's a hole on the bottom. So I'm not sure what's the deal there. Maybe to prevent people actually from using it in-game scenario, but here's a Rawlings logo with Supreme. It has a little bit of indentation, so that I think that's how they did it. The entire wooden bat coated, and then they went and engraved this somehow, but it's more indented feel than actual printed. But then the Rawlings logo here is actually sticker. So I'm pretty glad that they actually did this Supreme logo with more kind of like an etching, I guess, onto the wooden bat. And then on the other side of it, we have the Rawlings logo again, Supreme, and 27-time champion, world famous from 94 to 2020. So pretty dope that they kind of made a little touch there. So as you can see, this is definitely more like a collectible. It does have a solid wood weight on it, but it doesn't really have much grip otherwise for baseball bat. Again, this is not intended for in-game use. $250 for baseball bat for more of a collectible. That said, I'm super stoked about this. I really need to start working on a way to put all my accessory together in some display fashions. Definitely this is going to be a more like an accent piece for sure out of all the accessories that I have. So pretty stoked. But that said, I'll give you guys a closer look and we'll wrap it up. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be.
supposed to feel